Alrighty, I think we're back. This is going to be a second segment. We were still working on the front. Our camera battery, for some reason, crapped out. Yeah, kind of shitty, but you know what? We'll do an extra little, 5-minute doodad. Oh, as you can see, I'm bleeding out here. All I did was I rubbed this edge just to take some PVA off. So don't tell me I'm gonna deal with that, because some people are a little squeamish, but yeah, that cut me quick real fast. So we got most of the PVA off of it. Yeah, all I did was rub this wheel well, and I don't feel, believe it or not, I don't know, maybe my finger was down under here where the sharper edges was, or there was a, this flash, these flash lines are like razors. If you pluck them that way, kind of not so bad, but if you rub along it, think about it, it's glass. It's glass. Look at this. I found another spot, just a little wee bit of gatoring. But you know what, that gatoring, when you can, oh, there we go, look at that, check that out. So there, I can scrape some of it out. Is it a big deal? There's a hole there, but you know what, I'll dig this out. I'll fill it with some more gel coat. We'll be golden. Did I get the front off? I kind of stopped when the camera crapped out, so I'm gonna just carry on. Yeah, this front piece is a little tricky. If you look close, you can kind of see. I'll get it off, and then you can see where it actually broke last time. There we go. We got it off, but you can see there's a fracture right there, and that was from me trying to peel the corners kind of outward. It did fracture over here a bit, just a tiny bit, but like I say, I reinforced the outside. Now I was pressing on it, I broke that flange. Should have reinforced the flange. Not a big deal. Not, oh, I broke, oh, never mind that. Look, I broke both of the corners. Is that important? Nah, not really. Not really. We got some flash lines here. So, there you have it. We've got a one-piecer. Needs a little, I gotta stop doing that. I gotta stop rubbing those flash lines trying to get the PVA and the putty off, or I'm gonna end up with more, some more gashes, but gotta peel them off to the side. But there you have it. We've got a one-piecer. We'll get all the PVA cleaned off. I'll get the flash line sanded. Now the idea behind this one is, all this stuff needs, needs trimmed out. The idea behind this one, we'll get this one cleaned up, but I'm only making, this one will be cut up here, up the door line, here. Basically it will follow, these lines here, and around here, around this flash line. Same thing down this side. That will make the front end one piece, and then of course crossed here, up this line. These are nice straight lines, nice and easy to cut right around the back, like this, and down, and then we'll have our three pieces. But the sills, these lower sills, will actually stay kind of attached. Now, whether people want to make hinge doors or not, that's totally up to them as far as I'm concerned. The next one, I'm probably not going to do a one-piecer like this, just because I kind of enjoyed doing the individual, doing the back, doing the midsection, doing the front. doing the sills. I kind of actually enjoyed that better. For some reason, doing, you know, a one-piecer seemed like a whole lot more work for some reason. I don't know why. It just seemed like a whole lot more work. Weight, I don't know. Maybe 7 pounds. Maybe 6, maybe 7. It's nice and thick. I'll give you that. We're talking 1/8 of an inch here. Good and durable. Good and durable. I know most of these will be built. They'll be bitchin' looking. And, you know, can't wait to get a bunch more finished and get them moving around the world. So, you got to see it right here. You got to see me get wounded. Kind of, sort of. It's minor. It's always minor. By the look of it, the molds, I'll get the molds all cleaned up. I'll get the rest of the PVA and stuff off of them. They look good, you know. Give them a wash, give them a clean, give them a wax, give them a PVA. Start number 3. Because that's the way we roll here at Sharp Customs. And, you know, I got a handful of these things to do. And yeah, I've kind of got other models I want to do too. After the GT40s. Got the trucks, got the GT40s, you know, and I've had requests for other cool quarter scale fiberglass composite builds. But I've got one in mind. Not going to say anything on camera. It's my little secret. You'll just have to stay tuned in the future and check it out. So share, like, subscribe. Sharp Customs. I'm out.